Hi, I am back with my experiential sharing session. Last session, I covered the mantra 2 with regard to head and heart. In that session, I had spoken about one of the finest tools called ego. Today, I am just trying to cover up the aspect of ego which plays a very important role in our life to behave or how to manage ourselves. So, in a very simpler way, I want to classify the ego into two forms, me too ego and we too ego. Let us start from the me too ego. The me ego people are very self-centered, suffers from high degree of identity crisis, they always need attention, or so to say, they suffer from inferiority complex, and also to get the attention, they try to do whatever they want to do. In the process, they hurt others. There are people who are also busy when they try to see they are not able to manage the situation, so they escape by blaming others. So you will find that blame frame is a part of ego's tactics in our life, both in domestic or in industry or in social life. In every aspect, this goes on. For example, let us take in a small way, I will tell you, if the husband-wife try to prove to each other that I am better than you, the child is fully confused to watch this game going on between the parents. Similar way, if the bosses are too busy trying to say they are better than each other, the employee doesn't understand how to manage, whom to manage, what to do. So these two situations is the me too ego situation, and there are people who create such situations just to massage their ego. So I call this tactics as an ego massaging strategy by them to make themselves happy, because they are very aware because of insecurity that if they don't do, they will not to be seen and they lack identity. So the situation goes wrong when these kind of unreasonable expectation leads to frustration to each other. At times, the me ego person thinks that whatever he is doing, that is the strategy of offense is the best defense, hurts the others, he thinks he has become a winner. But he doesn't realize the other person is a nice person, he just wants to tolerate and calm, not to react. So, the me ego person is a unique personality. He creates the situation for himself and tries to solve in a unique way. So, today in life, you will find people demanding, I want personal space, I want independence, I want this and that. Rebellion characters, all these are the result of me ego status. Now, the second ego is the we ego. We ego is a epitome of content. They are very wise, mental maturity is level. They want everyone to be happy. So they try to gain happiness by giving happiness to others. But at times, this we ego person are very forthright and they are very straight. So they feel very unhappy when me ego meets a we ego. A we ego feels that we ego is very arrogant and very hard. But if you are very straight and to the point and try to do things in a better manner and create a culture of happiness and love, that is the thing which today the world wants. This is the time for all of us to think about it, how to use these tools, head, heart and ego, synergize in such a nice manner that we create an environment of love, mutual appreciation, mutual accomplishment, and also being acceptable to one and all. Again, I would like to say we should not try to gain acceptability by force. To be acceptable, to be loved, to be emulated by all should be our strategy. I again leave this to you to think about it and try to practice it. I am confident that you will find a big change and enjoy the situation. Each activity or each behavior, just observe and analyze. The life is going to be very beautiful. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.